Hello, Liam. Um, this is EZC Abanajan Paul Chigozie with student number 191837880. So, this is my presentation for project for secure programming for application development. To kickstart, I would give a rundown of a brief summary of the various tools that I used. I would also list out the vulnerabilities that I found while doing the manual review. I would be toggling in between the vulnerabilities found, and also I would be showing you the lines of the vulnerabilities on the NetBeans application. Then after that, I would also talk about the static analysis that was also done. So let's go. For the tools used, I used the Sonar Cube, which was used for the static analysis, and then I used NetBeans, which was used for the manual code review. Now, the vulnerabilities that are found and the possible solutions. The first one is the connection parameters are hard coded. This was found in line 23, and the file name is db.java. I've already opened it here. So there's db.java. As you can see, the parameters are hard coded, and also you could also see that the passwords and the usernames are in plain text. There's no encryption here, there's no hashing here also. So for the possible solutions, I would make sure that the parameters are stored in a separate location and they should not be hard coded. The second one, the SQL statement is vulnerable to injection attacks. This can be found in line 23, and the file name is user.java, line 23. Yes, here. So as you can see, this is where we have the vulnerabilities that I found for that particular one. So the solution is I would make sure those statements are, I would make sure I use prepared statements, and I would also do a concatenation of user inputs, or rather the concatenation of user inputs should be avoided to so that the statement won't be vulnerable to injection attacks. Then the second one, which is also the same as the third one, which is also the same as the second one, but was found in another line, the same file name, but another line, which is this. I would still make use of the same solution for that also. Then the fourth one, there was no password encryption mechanism used. This was found in line 55, and the file name is user.java. User.java, yeah, line 55. Okay, yes. So what I will do here is the solution, I would make use of an encryption mechanism, possibly the one I'll make use of decrypt, which I think it's stronger. So that will be the solution for this particular vulnerability when I'm trying to fix these vulnerabilities in the app. Then the fifth one, no validation. This was found in line 237 to 37, bookform.java to 37. That's this. Now the solution to that, I would make sure those fields are validated appropriately, and then the fields that are required will be checked for null values at all times. Then the last, which is the last, okay, this is found in lines 243 and 253. Incomplete validation. Incomplete validation. This is issue book from here. Incomplete validation, yeah, that's this. So I would the solution to that is I would perform adequate validation, so you'll be able to know the progress of the books that are issued and the rest of them, and you'll be able to follow up on them. So that brings us to the end of the vulnerabilities and the possible solutions. So I'll do a quick switch to the SonarQube that I used for the static analysis. After doing the static analysis, the results that came out had it actually the all conditions were passed. Actually found 72 bugs with the static analysis. If you scroll through from here down, these are 72. Then the three security hotspot issues were SQL injection, and the three of them are actually SQL injections. So would try as much as possible to fix them, even if fix the few ones that can be fixed, and would submit the fixed codes in the module, and a summary of everything, a real detailed summary of the report would also be submitted in the module. Thanks, Liam.